Evening guys. I've just got a post off one of the members. He's got a problem with obviously the tip sitting in the guard. Your problem is the seating grommet in here obviously isn't fixed. So the best thing you can do is get it out first, okay? Usually, I mean, this is a tip that's, there you go. That's what we're looking at, okay? So if you look at your tip, okay, see the ring, fit that on with a rubber seal, okay, and then see how it's got an angle, and obviously you've got the same angle in there. So when you seat it, just bear in mind that you're pushing it in, okay, so it seats this way, so your tip will now go in this way. So just put it down and just make sure it's seated nice and tight, okay? Your tip's in. So all that is now flush. The reason your water or your paint was coming out was because this wasn't seated correctly, okay? Right terminology, I'm not quite sure, to be honest with you. We just throw these things in. That'll get you up and running, okay? So